Hey! He's trying to get us up there. Hey, watch this. Hey look, we've got some to the left as well. Sorry! Literally, I'm shooting at this little kid and the wind blows it straight into Sean. You guys, keep pushing up, you're not going to hit him from there really. What? Hey up. Wait, is that an enemy just there? Shoot him then. You can hit him from here. He's out. You guys, push up. Come down here. You guys, come here. Edmund, don't talk, mate. Hang on. You two, come here. You two, come here. Come down here, yeah? Right, we've got a load up here. Okay, be careful because we've got like tons there. Left flank supposedly dead. You see, if you come here, I'll show you, right? Whoa, that was close! Girls there, and then we've got... Yeah, you can probably hit them from here, actually. Just got to be careful, because we've got a fair few many people here. Alright, hang on. If you want to move up to that front tree just there, yeah, I'll move up to this tree, then we'll move round. Whoa! These are getting super close. I see him. Got a guy literally poking his head up just down there. Literally there. You probably have, it's just you can't see the hand going on. Do you want to move up to that tree and I'll move up to the one in front if you give me cover and fire?
Against those girls behind that tree?
Yeah. Where are they coming from? Let's go in, guys. Bleed out after 1 minute. Yeah, we've got tons of fire coming. Hang on, I need to reload. Hang on, wait. Right, got one guy up here, straight up front. I don't know where he is, but pellets keep coming over. Okay. You know what? Hey dude, moving up on you, then I'll move past you to your left, up to that tree in front of you, yeah? I'll move round you on your left and up to that tree just there, if you give me covering fire, yeah? Okay? I'll let you know when I'm moving. Because when you were shooting, you must have got like 4 out, and then there's just one hiding. You've got one guy at the far back just falling, so do you want to come down here and come down the side up there, seeing as you've got better mobility. You got a fair few of them. I think I got like just blind fire. Right, die right up the middle there, somewhere. Where? Whereabouts?